Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable device guard on LENOVO V15. First you have to enter BIOS menu on your computer, so turn off your computer completely and then start it up by short pressing the power button, after which immediately start pressing F2 button until your device until you see the BIOS menu on your device's screen. Then use left and right arrow keys to navigate between tabs, and down and up arrow keys to navigate between options. Enter to select an option, and this way you have to navigate to security tab and then scroll down to device guard option. To enable it, press enter, select enabled and press enter once again. To disable it, press enter, select disabled and press enter again. To apply changes and exit, press F10 and enter. To exit without saving changes, press escape, and to restore default values, press F9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.